Good day, everyone. My name is Arslan, and welcome to the third dimension. So today we're going to make a realistic cushion inside Revit. This is something which I've used a lot. I mean, for all these interior renderings. So I thought I would make a simple video regarding how to make realistic cushions. The workflow for creating families can be different for different users. I mean, there are a few ways of making cushions inside Revit or pillows. But you could just look at my workflow and maybe have an idea of how it's done. So I've started a furniture family. I've made two reference planes. Now let's mirror it on the other side. Same case for this. So the sizes for this are going to be, let's set it to 50 centimeters. And let's go to dimension. So we're going to make a parametric family, right? And let's first of all go to UN and let's change the width to centimeters. So same case as for this. Let's set it to 25, or let's make it okay, 25 is fine, and equal. So 25 on both the sides, which means it's going to be 50 mm. The width is going to be 50, and the same case for the length, which is again equal, and 25 centimeters. So now let's draw our main extrusion. Let's start with a rectangle, sort of a rectangle, and now let's use the start end and the radius. Of course, we cannot make it that perfect because it's a cushion, a sort of a pillow which we have on our sofas. So we purposely have to make it a bit uneven on all the sides, because that's how fabrics usually are inside our houses. So let's delete these and let's press done. So we have made our extrusion. Now let's go to the 3D view and let's check it out. Whenever the object is not in front of you or you're somehow lost, so make sure you press the right mouse button and zoom to fit. So your component is going to come in front of you onto your screen. So now the next thing we have to do is we have to make another reference plane, which is going to be the sort of the reference line. So this is it, which I just made right now. So it's 20 centimeters from the top, and we have locked the surfaces through the L-line tool. All right, so it's locked. Now let's go back to 3D, and let's even give it a material to it. So it can be anything. Let's just give it fabric. So okay, let's just choose this for now. So let's go to realistic, and this is the pillow we have until now. So now it's void, and sneap is going to be it's going to do the main trick in our case. So now we're going to just go for sweep. So select path, and let's set the work plane to the one that we created, which is our top limit. Let's go to select and hit aligned. So press tab again and again, and when you reach that top point, press OK. Now let's go to edit profile. So this is the trickiest part, all right, editing your profile. We went to the right, which is sort of the forward view. Now in this case, you'd have to make sure that we make it as realistic as possible. So, for this, you can just play around with it. I mean, it can be different for different users. So, according to what you need, but make sure you spend the most amount of time on this. So now let's just mirror it on the other side. And I think this doom sort of a shape that we have. This is gonna be perfect in our case. So let's press OK. The lines are not intersecting each other, so trim and extend. Make sure you use trim and extend. Now let's move this slightly to the left, just a bit, and let's just press OK. So yes, this is it. So this is the cushion, the realistic cushion that I just made. This is the final product. Now, let's go back to our reference plane and let's just quickly make another extrusion. Let's just press OK. Let's go to our front. Let's give it an artificial floor for the moment. And now let's check out the rendered view of our pillow. So guys, this is our rendered view. This is the cushion that I just made. I believe it looks quite accurate. And this is what I've been using for all my interior design works. Although we can further work on the profile and make it a bit more better, but I'll leave that to you. In my case, I think this is fine. So guys, I have added a few final things, and let's just check out the final product that we have prepared. So this is the realistic cushion, and I believe it looks quite good, quite realistic. And the extrusion that I had put last time, so I put grass into it and I put these low poly objects. So this is the final cushion inside Revit, which looks quite good. These are 3 copies of the cushion that I've prepared. And for example, if we zoom inside, the extrusion can be improved, but I think it's gonna take some time, so I'll leave that to you guys. So this is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something from it. And make sure to stay with us for more furniture videos. I have a very long series coming by. So have a very nice day.